Hello, I'm going to be explaining how while loops work for Python. So I have two loops, one with the two exact loops, one just the print is comes after and before the operation. That's the only difference between both of them. Now, how it works. So the first line says a is equal to 0. A is equal to 0. On the second, b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. Like this. Then it says it enters the while loop and it says while a is smaller than 20, a is smaller than 20. Now this is special. When you're declaring the variables in one line, this is locked. Then it says a is equal to b. Now you use another other variables because this is locked. You cannot touch it anymore. So a is equal to b. A is equal to b. Whereas b right now is 1. Then you say b is equal to a plus b. Now you cannot touch this anymore, so you say b is equal to a, this a plus b, 0 plus 1. Here's 1. Then it says print a. Well, it's a right now is 1. So you print 1 right here. And now you finish printing and you go back to the while to the a equal to this part, saying that if a is smaller than 20, so a right now uh, is, well, now that's unlocked because it finished the loop. A right now is equal to 1, so I can continue. And now I say a equal to b. So this part is locked right now, so I can do another variable right here, a equal to b. So b is 1, 1. And then it's b equal to a plus b. B equal to 1, a plus b. So 1 plus 1, 2. So notice I always use the locked version, right? And then it says, oops, then it says print a. What's a right now? A is 1, so I print 1. Then I finish the loop. When I finish the loop, this goes here, and I can erase this part. And then it says, okay, while the loop a is smaller than 20, so a right now is 1, I can continue the loop. So a equal to b, so I start a new one like this, a equal to b. B right now is 2. Then b equal to a plus b, so b equal to a plus b, so 1 plus 2, 3. And then it says print a. Okay, what's a right now? A is 2, so I print 2. And then I exit the while loop. When I exit the while loop, this goes here and it's locked. And then while a is smaller than 20, a right now is 20, continue the while loop. So okay, I can continue. And now I say a equal to b, so I start a new variable here, a equal to b. B is right now is 3. And then I say b plus a plus b, b plus a plus b, so b is equal to a plus b, so 2 plus 3. I'm using the variables here, so it's 5. Then it says, okay, print a. What's a right now? A is 3, so I print 3 right here. So you see it's following all of this, right? So I'm gonna go a little faster now because it's using the same logic as always. So I continue the while loop. A is smaller than 20, yes, a3. A equal to b. A is equal to b. This b right here is 5. And it says b, a plus b. B is equal to a plus b. So a plus b is 8. So I'm using this variables here. Then it says print a. Okay, print a. A right now is 5. So I print 5. So I continue. The while loop is ending, so I can unlock this right here. Right here. Then it says, okay, while a is smaller than 20. Okay, fine. A is 5, so I can continue the while loop. So a is equal to b. A equal to b. B right now is 8. B equal to a plus b. So b is equal to this a plus b, so 13. And then it says print a. What is a right now? A right now is 8, so I print 8, as you can see right here. I finish the while loop again, and this goes to the log version right here. It says while a is smaller than 20. A is smaller than 20? Yes, a is 8. So it says, okay, you can continue the while loop. So a equal to b. A equal to b. This b is 13. And it says b equal to a plus b. B is equal to this a plus b. So 21. And then it says, okay, print a. What is a right now? A 13. So I'm gonna print 13. Perfect. So I finished the while loop. And this is my log version right now. And then it says while a is equal to 20 because I start over. A equal to 20. Is it a smaller than 20? Yes, a is 13. So it says, okay, continue the while loop. So a equal to b. A equal to b. So this b right now is 21 right here. Then it says, okay, b is equal to a plus b. So b is equal to a plus b. This a plus b. So it's equal to 45, 44, no, 34, 34. And then it says, okay, now print a. I print a. A right now is 21. 21. There you go. And then I finish my loop. So this is done. I put in the log version. Then it says, okay, now it says, okay, well, is a smaller than 21? No, it's not. A right now is 21. Is a smaller than 20? I mean, is a smaller than 20? Yes. No. A is bigger than 20. It's 21 right now. So that means I cannot continue this loop because a is over 20. So there you go. There I'm done with this loop. This is why I print all of this. And now to compare with this one. Now let's compare with this one. And now it's the same idea. So a equal to 0. So a is equal to 0. Oops. A is equal to 0. B is equal to 1. B equal to 1. See? B equal to 1. And then it says, okay, while a is smaller than 20. Is a smaller than 20? Yes. A right now is 0. Print a. Okay, immediately print a. Remember the opposite? You would have done the operation first, but here it says not print a right away. Okay, print a right away. What do I print? I print 0 because a right now is 0. It's telling me to print a. Okay, and then it says, okay, now after you print, now do the operation. Okay, I'm gonna do the operation, and then it's the same idea. The moment you see declarations on one same line like this thing is locked like this, and then you open a new variables right here. Just a is equal to b. A, this a is equal to b. E and b is equal to 1. There you go. Then b is equal to a plus b. So this b is equal to this a plus b. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 like this. See, I don't use this one. I use this one, the log version. And then it says, okay, I am done with the loop. Okay, if I'm done with the loop, this thing is no longer locked. This thing is right here. Right here, see? And then it says, okay, is a smaller than 20? Yes, a is smaller than 20 because a right now is 1. Okay, good. Then you can proceed with the loop. Now, print a. Okay, what's a right now? A is 1. Okay, I'm going to print 1. There you go. And it says, okay, now that you print 1, now the a equal to b. Now, remember, if this is one line, this is locked, right? So I just start a new one. So a equal to b. This a is equal to b. There you go. Then it says b equal to a plus b. So this b is equal to the log version a plus b, 1 plus 1, 2. Good. I am finished with the loop. Good. So this thing is now goes here. And then I go to this to this part right here. Then it says a is smaller if a is smaller than 20. Why is a right now? A is 1. Okay, it is smaller than 20. Then I can proceed with the loop. Okay, then it says print a. Okay, I'm gonna print a. A right now is 1, so I'm gonna print 1. Okay, then it says once you print a, now a equal to a equal to b. Okay, a equal to b, so a equal to this b. Then it says b is equal to a plus b, so b is equal to this a plus b, so 3, like this. And then I am finished with the loop. So I'm finished with the loop right here. So if I'm finished with the loop, this is unlocked like this. This is unlocked like this. Then it says, okay, if a is smaller than 20, is a smaller than 20? Yes, a is equal to 2. So yes, I can proceed with the loop because a is smaller than 20. Right now it's 2. Print a right immediately. Okay, I'm gonna print a immediately. So I print 2 like this. Perfect. Once I print a, then it says, okay, a is equal to b. So I just repeat the procedure. So it's a is equal to this b, so 3. And then it says b equal to a plus b. So b is equal to a plus b, 2, 3, 5. I'm finished with the loop. Yes, I'm finished with the loop. Then this becomes unlocked. Perfect. Then it says, well, if a is smaller than 20, what is a right now? A is 3. Perfect. Then I can proceed with the loop. Okay, print a. Okay, I'm gonna print a. So that's 3. I print 3. Okay, perfect. Now that you print 3, proceed with this loop. Proceed with this operation. A is equal to b. A is equal to this b. Okay. Then it says b is equal to a plus b. B is equal to a plus b. So 3 plus 5, 8. Perfect. I'm finished the loop. Yes, I finished the loop. So this becomes unlocked. Excellent. Then it says, is a smaller than 20? Yes, a is smaller than 20. A is 5. Okay, good. So proceed with the loop. Print a. Okay, I'm going to print a. So a right now is 5. Perfect. Now, uh, okay, you printed a. Okay, now proceed with the loop. Okay, a is equal to b. A is equal to b. A equal to b. Right now, a is b is 8. So a is 8. B is equal to a plus b. So b is equal to a plus b. So 5 plus 8. So 13. 5 plus 8 is 13. Perfect. I finished the loop. Yes, I finished the loop. So this becomes unlocked right here. Like this. Okay. So I go back here. Is a smaller than 20? A is 8. So yes. So proceed with the loop. Okay. Print a. Okay, a right now is 8. So I print a. That print a. Perfect. I printed a. Now proceed with the operation. A is equal to b. A right now is equal to b. So 30. So then I say, okay, b is equal to a plus b. B is equal to a plus b. So 8 plus 13, 21. Perfect. I am finished the loop. Yes, I finished with the loop. Perfect. So this becomes unlocked if I finish with the loop. Like this. Perfect. Now I go here. Is a smaller than 20? Yes, a is smaller than 20. It's 13. Perfect. So I can proceed with the loop. Excellent. Print a. Okay, I'm gonna print a. A is equal right now is 13, so I print 13. That excellent. Now that I printed a, then I proceed. I continue the procedure. Oops, this is cut off. Sorry, I cut it off. Now a equal to b. A equal to b. So a this a. Oops, it should be this a should equal to b. 21. B equal to a plus b. B equal to this a plus b. So 34. Excellent. Now it says, okay, I'm finished the loop. Yes, I finished the loop. So this becomes unlocked. That it becomes unlocked. Excellent. And now I go back here because I finished the loop. Is a smaller than 20? No, a is 21, so I cannot proceed with the loop anymore, and I'm done. So this is the end of the loop. So this is the difference between both of the while loops. This locked version only applies once when you encounter a declaration on the same line. Otherwise, you wouldn't use this method. I will show you the another method if it's not declared on the same line. Thank you.